If you love your BMW, this might be the most important video you watch. Most BMWs don't die of age, they die because of completely preventative problems. And these problems are not even that hard to spot if you know what to look for. I worked on thousands of BMWs myself and I have seen the same 5 mistakes over and over. Some of them kill the engine fast, others slowly destroy it, but all of them are avoidable. Let's start with the one that can ruin your engine in just a few minutes. Overheating. One teeny failure, a split hose, bad thermostat, or dead water pump, and your engine overheats just instantly. The electric water pumps often just stop working with zero warnings. And the newer B-series engines with mechanical pumps, they are not safe either. Those pumps start leaking over time and need to be replaced proactively. The thermostat are made of plastic and fall apart. When that happens, the car doesn't regulate temperature properly and you won't even notice until it's too late. So what do? Replace the water pump and thermostat around every 60,000 miles before they fail. Keep an eye on plastic coolant hoses, and if they are original and your car over 6-7 years old, inspect them and change them if needed. And you know what really shortens BMW engine life? Long oil change intervals. BMW recommends oil changes every 15,000 miles, but that's based on emission standards and not engine health. What your engine actually wants, fresh quality oil every 5,000 miles, especially if you're doing short trips, city driving, or live in a hot climate. Many shops use the wrong oil, just basic synthetic and not something that meets BMW official specification. So here's what you should do. Change your oil every 5,000 miles. Don't wait for the dash reminder and make sure the oil is approved for BMW. Ask your mechanic what they use. If they don't know, that's your red flag. If you see a little oil spot under your BMW and think this is not a big deal, big mistake. Here's what happens. A teeny leak drips down onto your serpentine belt. The belt soaks up the oil, breaks, and gets sucked into the engine through the crankshaft seal. And now you've got shredded rubber inside your engine and blocked oil passages. I've seen this more times than I can count. And it usually starts with a common leak like the oil filter housing gasket. And people skip the repair because it costs about $700, but guess what? That savings can turn into a $3,000 or $4,000 repair if the engine survives. Sometimes the damage is so bad that the motor is done. And even smaller leaks that don't kill the engine right away, they ruin hoses, alternators, wiring, sensors, and the list goes on. Fix leaks early, you will spend less in the long run. Guaranteed. And no one wants to spend money on parts that are not broken yet. I get it. But with BMW, preventive maintenance is your cheap insurance. A lot of gaskets and plastic parts have limited lifespan. Ignore them and you're looking at a massive repair bill later. On newer engines, things like oil filter housing, coolant flanges, valve cover, oil pan, thermostat, and many other components are made of plastic, and when they go, they usually crack suddenly, not slowly. Here's the rule. Follow the BMW service schedule, but be proactive, not reactive, and replace aging plastic parts and gaskets. If you are doing one repair, check what's nearby and do all at once. It will save labor and future headaches. And here's the harsh truth. Most general mechanics do not understand BMWs. I worked on hundreds of cars that came straight from non-BMW shops and they were worse off than before. Wrong diagnostics, wrong parts, wrong fluids. These cars, they need specific knowledge and care. A generic shop might fix the symptom but miss the real cause. And here's what to do. Always go to a BMW specialist, not just any mechanic. Ask them about common BMW problems. And if they hesitate, just walk away. A good mechanic will save you $1,000 in the long run. Every problem I just shared, totally preventable. BMWs are not unreliable, they just need the right kind of care, and now you know how to give it. So if you want your BMW to go 200,000 miles or even 300,000 miles, follow these tips, stay ahead of the failures, and your car will thank you. And if you need any help with your BMW and you are in Southern California, my team and I would be happy to help. I drop all the links in the description, feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks for watching and take care of your BMW.